Fort Worth, Texas, is known for its unique climate, characterized by scorching summers, unpredictable storms, and chilly winter nights. Living in such a dynamic environment demands that homes be well protected and energy efficient, making windows a critical aspect of residential architecture. For homeowners in Fort Worth, professional window installation isn't just a matter of convenience. It's a vital investment for energy efficiency, indoor comfort, and protection against the elements. Energy efficiency in extreme temperatures. Summers in Fort Worth can be brutally hot, with average high temperatures regularly climbing above 95 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat places a substantial strain on air conditioning systems, leading to high energy bills. Professionally installed windows play a pivotal role in keeping energy costs manageable. Proper window installation ensures an airtight seal, minimizing drafts and preventing cool air from escaping. This reduces the workload on HVAC systems and helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Conversely, Fort Worth's winters can bring freezing temperatures that make it equally important to keep warm air inside. Poorly installed windows are a common source of heat loss, leading to cold drafts and higher heating bills. Professional installers use advanced techniques to seal gaps and cracks, helping to keep homes warm and energy efficient during the colder months. Combating moisture and humidity. In addition to extreme temperatures, Fort Worth's climate is often humid, which can cause condensation to form on windows. Excess moisture can lead to a range of problems, including mold growth, wood rot, and damage to window frames. Improper installation exacerbates these issues by allowing water to seep into the walls, causing costly structural damage. Professional window installers understand the local climate conditions and use materials and techniques specifically designed to withstand high humidity. From weather-resistant sealants to proper drainage solutions, their expertise ensures that windows remain watertight, protecting your home from moisture-related damage. Storm protection. Fort Worth experiences its fair share of severe storms, including hail, high winds, and heavy rainfall. These weather events can cause significant damage to homes, particularly when windows are not properly secured. A poorly installed window is more likely to fail under the pressure of strong winds or flying debris, putting both property and people at risk. Professionally installed windows are reinforced to handle severe weather conditions. Installers ensure that windows are correctly anchored and sealed, providing an extra layer of protection for your home. Additionally, many professional installations include impact-resistant glass and specialized frames that offer greater resilience against storm damage. This added durability can help prevent costly repairs and give homeowners peace of mind during the most intense weather events. Improved home value and aesthetics. The aesthetic appeal of a home is significantly influenced by its windows. High-quality, professionally installed windows not only look better but also enhance curb appeal, potentially increasing the value of your property. Prospective buyers often pay close attention to energy efficiency, structural integrity, and modern window designs when evaluating homes. By investing in professional window installation, homeowners in Fort Worth can enjoy both immediate comfort and long-term property value growth. Proper installation techniques. Window installation is more complex than simply placing glass in a frame. It requires precise measurements, specialized tools, and in-depth knowledge of building codes. Professional installers are trained to handle various types of windows and architectural styles, ensuring each unit is fitted correctly. This minimizes the risk of air leakage, water infiltration, and other common problems associated with amateur installations. In Fort Worth's variable climate, even small mistakes during installation can lead to significant energy losses, higher utility bills, and structural damage over time. By relying on professionals, homeowners benefit from warranties, expert craftsmanship, and long-lasting results. Warranty and peace of mind. Most professional window installations come with warranties that cover both the products and the installation work. This warranty offers peace of mind, knowing that any future issues will be addressed by skilled professionals. DIY installations or hiring unlicensed contractors often void product warranties, leaving homeowners unprotected if something goes wrong. Conclusion. In Fort Worth's challenging climate, professional window installation is essential for maintaining energy efficiency, protecting against moisture and storms, and enhancing the overall value and comfort of your home. By investing in expert services, homeowners can enjoy lasting benefits, lower energy bills, and a more resilient, beautiful living space. When it comes to windows, the expertise of professionals truly makes a difference.